All right, in this example, we're supposed to measure the length of ST. Notice that's segment ST, because there are no arrowheads up here at all, to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Well, the problem with that, of course, is that we don't have a ruler in here. And so, I am going to make a couple comments about measuring things. So, let's say I did have a ruler. I'm going to sort of mark off where my sections are, or my numbers are here. And let's put a number here. We'll call this, I don't know, 4.2. So that would make this 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5.0. So we'll call this 5.0. Now, obviously, since we have the ruler here, I could just count spaces and say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces long. But if we didn't have this right in front of us with the picture, we'd have to do some kind of a calculation. And distance is difference. Difference is subtraction. Let's take a look. So I could do 5.0 minus 4.2 equals 0.8. So now I know the distance is 0.8. How did I know to put the 5.0 first and the 4.2 second? What if I had done it the other way around? What if I said 4.2 minus 5.0? What do I get then? Well, then I get negative 0.8. The difference between switching the number this way or having them this way is that if one of them is negative and the other is positive, but notice they're the same number, except, like I said, one's positive, one's negative. Let's say you had to program a computer to calculate the distances between numbers on a number line, and how do I tell the computer which number to put in first? I guess I could tell the computer, well, this is the bigger number, so the bigger number has to go first. I'll take away the smaller number. Or what you could do is you could just tell the computer to put absolute value bars around these. The absolute value basically says, I don't care if the number here is positive or negative. All I care is how far is it from 0 on the number line. I don't care what direction it is from 0. Is it to the left, which makes it negative, or is it to the right, which makes it positive? I don't care. All I care is how far is it. So when I put those absolute value bars around it, then in both cases, we end up with 0, just an ordinary 0.8. All right? So I guess that's the thing I wanted to talk with you about. If you want to find the distance between two numbers on the number line, or this also applies, in your coordinate plane, if you want to find the distance between point A and B, you just take the absolute value of the distance between their x-coordinates. Assuming that they are right next to each other like this. So absolute value of the difference. So subtract, take the absolute value. All right, done.